slash D flag. This /D flag specify the start and the end of a match. When you are searching for a pattern and you are using the /D, it will specify the start and end of a match. So let's take a look at an example of how the /D flag works in RegEx expression. So match all that starts or ends with AA or PP. So this is what we want to search for. What matches AA or BB in our expression. So let's have a random text that has a random value like this. AA, BB, or let's increase this AAA, BBB. And now I can set my pattern. That is, what do I want to find? So the opening delimiter, and then I can put what I want to find inside a bracket, put a space, put another one, and at the end put D, this /D, which is what I expect to match all that starts or ends with the pattern I'm searching for. Then I can match that pattern and store it in a result variable, and finally can get out the outputs. Right here now it is not working, which obviously means that I either must have missed something. So now, I hope you can see this. I left a space here, and I also left a space before the /D, and that was why I was getting no result on the screen. But now that I've fixed that part, now look at this. I don't know this. So this is what I'm trying to do. Now, can you find anything that matches AA or BB? And the response is yes. Anything that matches AA here, you can see we even have 4 A's here. And anything that matches BB, you can see BB, you can see it here. So this is how the /D works when it comes to matching expressions and RegEx instances. Then let's look at another flag, which is the second one on the list, and it's called the /S flag, single line or dot all. The /S flag allows the dot meta character to match new line character /N in addition to any other character. Let's take a look at an example of that in my code editor as well. The / dot all flag allows the dot meta character to match any character. So I'm going to just take this out, and then let me make a text, call it line /line line new line. So I'm saying that break this line into 2. That's what I'm doing simply means. So /new line is Forward slash n represents a new line where you want to break maybe words or something into a separate line. Now that I have the variable, then I can set my patterns of what I want it to match. So I want to check for line, the one that has the full stop, and then I want to pass global s, which means that I want to do a global search, and I also want to do the S flag. So that is why you're seeing G and S. One represents global, the other represents the forward slash S flag that we are talking about, or that I want to make use of. Then I can assign this into a variable and match the pattern. And now that I've matched the pattern, then I can get the outputs of my results. And you can see what I have here. You can see line, comma, line. So this is how the forward slash S, the dot all flags, this is how it works. It allows the dot meta character to match any character. So this dot that you have here will matches any character that you have. Because we have two of these, so it matches them. We have line, and then we have comma, and we also have another line. The third one is the regex forward slash y flag sticky. The forward slash y flag performs a sticky search from the last index property of the regex object. The forward slash y lets a match start at the exact position where the last match ended. So let's take a look at an example for the forward slash y as well. So I want to change the description, the slash y flag must be set to allow matches from a position. And then I can have my expression, let text equals to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So this is my expression right here. It's a string, so I need the code. And now I can set my pattern, the expression that I want to search for, backslash W plus. This is the expression that I want to search for, slash Y. And now I want the position of the match to start from 4. So I can do a little setting using the last index to explicitly set the position where I want the search to start from. Let results equals to text.match. And then I pass in the pattern. And now from here I can output the results. So what do we get? We have dev, which means that if you take a look at what I have here, so I have the expression A, B, C, D, E, F, G, I. Then this is my pattern, backslash W and plus slash Y flag, and then the pattern dot last index position is 4. So if I count from here, let me see, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So which means that the pattern, the pattern that I set, I explicitly tell it to start from the index position of 4. When in JavaScript we count 0, 1, 2, it will count space as 1, 2, 3, and then it will start from 4. And so that is why we have the DEF that you can see right here as the output. So therefore, the forward slash flag perform a sticky search from the last index property. Don't forget, we use the last index property of the regex object.